Warning, may cause concussion.
Corey, it's time to wake up. It's time for school. Get up. Get up. If your daughter has trouble sleeping, like mine, then you need the alarm clock slapper. If your daughter tries to avoid the alarm clock by moving, then you need the sensor alarm slapper.
You can get the alarm clock slapper for $9.99 and the sensor alarm clock slapper for $19.99. Call 1-800-444-SLAP in the next 12 hours and you will get free shipping. Enjoy.
Yeah, this clock is slow.
Well, it takes... I'm all tensed up.
Okay. You suck at life!
No, end the cup before I get out of bed.